So guys, hello. Patugtog muna tayo. So dito po, meron po tayong RJ45, LAN cable, and dalawa pong LAN cable para po makagawang crossover and straight through cable. So dito po dahil wala tayong wire stripper, ginently press ko na lang po yung crimper para po matanggal yung outer side ng LAN cable po. So dito po ini-strip ko lang yung wire para mabuksan po. So dito po nabuksan na natin, and paghiwalay-hiwalayin lang po natin yung mga wire na nakapalupot. So dito po napaghiwalay-hiwalay na natin, and meron po akong technique dyan. Yung wire na naputol nyo, yung kulay blue, then gamitin nyo po yan para ma-straight yung cable, and para din po hindi masakit sa kamay. Ganun po yung technique ko. So na-straight na po lahat, and proceed po tayo kung paano po yung color coding nung gagawin po natin. Ito po siya. So sa part po na to, umiiyak na po ako dyan. So ini-straight lang po natin yung cable para pagka po pinasok natin sa RJ45, madali na lang po siya. So dito po na line up na po natin yung RJ45, and patuloy lang po natin para sakto siya pagka ipapasok na natin. Dahil po kasi yung RJ45 ko po na gamit yan is hindi siya pass through. So, pagkapasok nyo po, gawin nyo po ulit yung crimper. Then, pasok nyo po siya doon sa may tinuro ko. Then, kung paano po siya magkakasya. Then, press nyo lang po ng as in sobrang diin para po mag-crimp na po siya. So, tapos na po tayo sa kabila. So, sa kabila naman tayo. And, papasa forward ko na po siya dahil same lang din naman po yung gagawin ko. Makinig muna tayo ng music, guys.
Time won't fly, it's like I'm paralyzed by it. I'd like to be my old self again, but I'm still trying to find it. After plaid shirt days and nights when you made me your own, now you mail back my things and I walk home alone. But you keep my old scarf from that very first week, 'cause it reminds you of innocence and it smells like me. You can't get rid of it, 'cause you remember it all too well. 'Cause the way I loved you so, back before you lost the one real thing you've ever known. It was rare, I was there.
So, dito po tapos na tayo sa straight through cable. Kikrimp na lang natin siya. And then, after po nito, gagawa na po tayo ng crossover video tutorial. Thank you po.
There, you remember it all. It was rare, I was there, I remember.
So, dito po, bagong cable naman po para sa crossover cable po natin. Same procedure lang din po yung gagawin ko, like yung pag-strip ng wire and pag-straight ng wire. Same procedure lang po as kanina sa straight through. So, fast forward ko lang po ng konti.
Broke my skin and bones. I'm a soldier who's returning half her weight. And did the twin flame bruise paint you blue? Just between us, did the love affair maim you too? 'Cause in this city's barren cold, I still remember the first fall of snow and how it glistened as it fell. I remember it all too well. Just between us, did the love affair maim?
So, sa pag-create naman po ng crossover, need po natin ng isang side is type A, then yung isang side naman po is type B para po maging crossover. So, yung binubuo ko po ngayon is type A, then mamaya naman po is type B naman po sa kabilang side.
Remember it all too well. Down the stairs, I was there. Sacred prayer, I was there. It was rare, you remember it all too. Looked in my head, I was there. Down the stairs, I was there. Sacred prayer, I was there.
So, tapos na po tayo sa unang side. Then, sa kabilang side naman po, which is yung type B naman po. So, dito naman po, yung type B naman po yung gagawin natin para po maging crossover siya. So, dito po tapos na po tayo and i-crimp na lang po natin siya. And then, tapos na po yung crossover natin and yung straight through cable. So, dito po tapos ko na po silang gawin. And yun lang po. Thank you po!